the market. Now, what are the types of projects that require a license? That is, when should I enter into a license and when should I think that I require a license? Now, there are several types of projects. I'll discuss each one of them. One is a straight transfer technology. In a straight transfer technology, the use of technology is with or without an obligation on the license. Let us take a straight transfer technology. You are importing a engine for an aircraft, right? So Rolls-Royce maybe is giving India the engine, and the engine is being imported into India. So Rolls-Royce will say, all right, this is a straight transfer technology. We'll give you the entire technology for the engine, right from the fan blades to the chambers to the exhaust afterburners, whatever it is, you will be able to do it. And it's without an obligation on licensee to provide additional service for which royalty or fees to be paid upfront. This is a straight transfer technology. The second one is a joint venture where the intellectual property is involved and a license agreement is necessary. In joint ventures, there is a contribution from the first party, second party, both of them put together the technology, come out with a new one, right? And sometimes an additional R&D may be necessary, for which license agreement is very important. Then the third one is contract research. Now, this is something, which exists in US, especially between the universities and the business houses. So the industrial concern here sometimes may require a piece of research on a particular subject. Then what they do, they will say, we will fund you, right? They say you will fund the research. Then during the course of research, certain intellectual property could be generated, and presumably accessing some of the background intellectual property will also be required, right? There is some intellectual property already existing. When you are doing work on it, certain intellectual property starts getting generated. So under these circumstances, a contract research is very, very important. Then the last one is, consultancy. These could not require, these don't need, a full license agreement, but nevertheless, they require an agreement to protect whatever intellectual property issues that may arise. Then what do you do when you're negotiating a license, right? I tried to bring in